Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today's video is all about the iPhone 12 Pro Max and kind of a little issue that I have been having with the speakers on this device. And I kind of just want to share it with you guys to see if maybe anybody else has been having this same exact problem with their 12 Pro Max. Hopefully not. Hopefully I am the only one having this issue. That way maybe I don't know, maybe I just got a defective device. It kind of just happened out of nowhere just recently. And yeah, the speaker just started making this weird noise, this weird buzzing or distortion sound, whatever you want to call it. Every time I listen to music, watch videos, or play games, anything that requires me to use the speakers on this device, it starts making that buzzing noise. Now, I notice it's just on the bottom speaker. The top speaker's fine. The earpiece is fine when talking on the phone. But if I'm talking on the phone and I want to use the speaker phone, yeah, that bottom speaker is no bueno, no good at all. It does not sound pretty at all. Like I said, it just recently started happening, so not really sure what's going on there. I did call in for a replacement device already, so Apple's going to be sending me out a replacement device. I am sending this back because yeah, that speaker does not sound pretty. But let me go ahead and go into a video here so I can show you guys what I am talking about. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the mic towards the device itself so you can be able to hear that. All right, so I got the mic pointed down towards the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let me go ahead and go into YouTube here, and I'll go into one of my videos, and let me go ahead and play it for you guys. Woo, you can already hear it. And as you can see, the top speaker is totally fine. It's that bottom speaker that's having a problem. So as you can see, that bottom speaker does not sound pretty at all. And I've kind of talked to a couple of my buddies about this at work that also have iPhones. They said they have had this issue before with their devices as well, but all they did was just restart the phone and everything was fine. While I did the exact same thing, I tried restarting the phone, the speaker was still doing the same thing. I tried resetting it, the speaker was still doing the exact same thing. So I don't know what happened here, but like I said, just recently I woke up and I started watching YouTube videos, and yeah, I ended up stopping watching YouTube videos because of how ugly that bottom speaker sounded. So definitely not happy with that, but I do have a replacement device coming in, like I said earlier. And I gotta be honest with you guys, I was really loving the speakers on this device. I mean, they sound amazing. They sound great. They get very loud. And then all of a sudden, I don't know, something just happened. So this is just something I kind of wanted to share with you guys to see if maybe anybody else was having this same exact issue. If you are, let me know down in the comment sections below. And if you were able to fix it, let me know how you were able to fix it if you were able to do that. So let me know down in the comment sections below. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a thumbs up on this video if you did possibly find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. And once I get my replacement device, I will be sure to let you guys know and then give you my full review on this device right here. But thanks again for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.